Good morning, everyone. So, during our assembly, we all witnessed a wonderful performance, definitely Bhangra and other speeches and thoughts also. And we got to know how we celebrate our harvest festivals in India and how we get motivated from all of them. And today, amongst us is the personality from the armed forces, Miss Priya Jingle. Major, my apologies, Major Priya. So we are honored to have with us today a special guest, definitely, whose story is a prime example of how sowing the seeds of hard work, dedication and determination and all the efforts can later be reaped as the harvest of success. So, Major Priya Jingle, the first woman to join the Indian Army. Huge round of applause, everyone. The first woman to join the Indian Army in 1992. Ma'am served in the Judge Advocate General's Department for 10 years. She is also an enthusiastic and energetic trainer with efficacious motivation academy. She has over 15 years experience in training and grooming young leaders. Her expertise includes team building, personality development, motivation, communication skills, and self-awareness. Major Priya was the silver medalist of the first women's course at OTA and topped the Young Officers Military Law course and an Alpha Instructor AI grading. She was always an ardent debater and was declared the best debater at the Officers Training Academy. She taught English and was in charge of debating society at the Lawrence School, Sanar for 8 years, where she trained students for inter-house, inter-school and IPSC debates. Major Priya was recognized in February 2018 by the President of India along with 111 other First Ladies for being the pioneer of their fields in India. With a natural sense of humor and vast experience in their fields, she stimulates an immediate connect with the audience. An outstanding motivational speaker, she also is a public speaking coach and exemplary leader who drives in an interdisciplinary viewpoint and interesting lessons during her interactions. Ma'am has penned down an autobiography on her life in and beyond the army titled Marching On. Ma'am Priya is an experienced mountaineer and has scaled Mount Kilimanjaro 19,350 feet in Africa in 2019 and the Everest Base Camp Trek in December 2024. She has also led a 100-kilometer whitewater rafting expedition in River Ganga in 2017. She was a participant and contestant trainer in Khatron Ke Khiladi Season 1 with Akshay Kumar. Major Priya heads MPJ Leadership Academy North India, India's first leadership academy, which is on a mission to make the youth of India future ready. Major, as she is fondly called, believes that change is a personal phenomenon and delivers talks and leadership programs with sustained beyond the sessions by allowing the participant to handhold themselves. To know more about ma'am, let's watch a video.
Major Priya Jingle. She had an impossible dream, a dream to join the Indian Army. Her desire to join the army was so intense that even though there was no such provision to induct women in the army then, she took it upon herself to make it happen. And it happened. She became Indian Army's Lady Cadet number 1, the first woman to join the Indian Army. Having lived a life punctuated with challenges and opportunities, today she mentors the youth to become their best version. Here's her story.
Priya Jingle was born on 1st February 1968 in Shimla to Kamal Narayan, an earnest police officer of the Himachal Police, and Rani Jingle, a doting mother. In her formative years itself, Priya was enchanted by the uniform. She loved to wear her father's belt and cap and pretend to be an officer in uniform. Her love for the uniform molded in her an intense desire to join the Indian Army, but that was an impossible dream as there was no provision for induction of women in the army then. A gutsy Priya wrote a letter to the then Chief of Army Staff urging him to permit women to join the Indian Army. She waited for a dream to come true and her perseverance finally paid off. On 21st September 1992, she was inducted into the Officers Training Academy in Chennai along with 24 other lady cadets. She became the Lady Cadet number 1 and the first woman officer of the Judge Advocate General's Department of the Indian Army. Priya met Captain Manoj Malhotra at the headquarters Central Command in Lucknow, where the duo were posted and years later they tied the knot. Priya taught the Young Officers course at the Institute of Military Law in Kamptee and from 1993 to 2003 conducted several courts martial. On 6 March 2003, she bid adieu to the uniform when the Army released the first batch of its women officers from service. In 2018, she was among 112 Indian women who were felicitated by the President of India for being pioneers in their fields. Major Priya did not stop in her tracks after bidding adieu to the Army. She explored journalism, teaching and adventure sports before founding Major Priya Jhingan Leadership Academy in Chandigarh, where she mentors youth to be future ready. Major Priya penned her memoirs in her autobiography Marching On and continues to be her chirpy, vivacious and adventurous self.
Wonderful. Now I warmly invite Major Priya to share her valuable insights and inspire our students with her words of wisdom.
Thank you so much. Thank you. How much time do I have?